How to use the roundabout correctly.
Traffic in the roundabout should flow in a clockwise direction. Give way to the traffic approaching from the right. When navigating the roundabout, the left lane should be used if your exit is before 12. Likewise, the right lane should be used if your exit is after 12. Always pay attention to road signs or road markings to assist in using the correct lane whilst navigating. Signaling is also important when using the roundabout. When entering via the right lane, a right signal should be used. When exiting, a left signal is required. Use the eyelets as a marker to where exit signals can be used. By using the correct lane and signaling, other road users are aware of your intentions.